Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn some collections concept in Java. So basically, why we'll first go through why collections has come into picture. Before collections, arrays were used in Java. So arrays concept is not implemented based on some data structure, and it doesn't have any method supports, ready-made method supports. So for every requirement we have to write the code explicitly. So to overcome these limitations, we have gone for collections concept. And collections are like growable in nature. That is based on our requirement, we can increase or decrease the size. Hence, memory point of view, collections concept is recommended to use. So collections is a framework which has got basically 9 types of hierarchy. So if we want to represent a group of individual objects as a single entity, then we'll go for collection concept. So basically means why collections has come into picture, because there are a lot of problems we were having in arrays concept. Like arrays were fixed in size, whereas collections are growable in nature. And from the memory point of view also, arrays are not recommended to use. And from memory point of view, collections are widely used and recommended. Arrays can hold actually only homogeneous data type elements. It doesn't contain heterogeneous. But in collections, we can hold both homogeneous and heterogeneous elements. In arrays, we don't have some types of data structures like concept, but in collections we have standard data structure, and that is why we have ready-made method also in that. So going forward, we can see this is the collections hierarchy. It has got, so collection is an interface and it has got 3 base interface like list interface, set interface, and queue interface. Further in list we have these classes: array list class, linked list, vector, and within vector we have a stack class. If we go through set, then set is an interface and it is also divided into 2 types of set: hash set and sorted set. Within hash set we have one more class, that is linked hash set. And within sorted set class, sorted set interface, we have navigable set interface and tree set interface. If we go to queue, then there is one thing, that priority queue, and one is blocking priority queue. And furthermore, in blocking priority queue, we have priority blocking queue and link blocking queue. So we'll go by one like everywhere. So in this diagram we see wherever I is written, so it's an interface, and wherever we have not mentioned anything, that means that is a class. So we can see here that there is legacy class written. So what is legacy class? Legacy class means that these classes are coming from the very first version of Java. When Java has come, these classes are already present in there. But wherever we are seeing some version like 1.0 version, 1.2 version, so these were implemented in those versions of Java. So the classes which are legacy classes, so it is coming from a very first version of Java. So in that case, vector and stacks are legacy classes, and stack have come into picture in 1.0 version. In the same way, hash set were come into picture in 1.2 version, and set interface came into picture in 1.2 version, and linked hash set came into picture in 1.4 version. In the same way, sorted set interface has come into picture in 1.2 version, navigable set were presented in 1.6 version of Java, and tree set were 1.2 version. And similarly, queue were into picture for 1.5 version, and so. So this was the hierarchy which has explained just right now. So basically we should go one by one. I have just explained in a very brief manner. Now we can see, as collections is a framework, so there are certain type of methods which are present in all the collections classes or interface. So we'll go through it one by one. So basically we have 12 types of methods here, and for all of them it can be used in all the interfaces and classes. So these are generic methods of collections. So we'll go through it one by one. The first one is boolean add object O. So boolean add object O is a method. So we can see boolean is there. So boolean is the return type of it. So public boolean add object element. So it is used to insert an element in a proper class, in a proper collection. So boolean is the return type here. The next one is boolean add all collection C. So this is used to insert the specific collection element in the invoking collection, and its return type is also boolean. Next one is public boolean remove object element. So boolean is the return type for this, and it is used to delete an element from this collection. Next one is retains all. Okay, retain all. So it is boolean retains all collection C. It's not retains, it's retain all collection C. So retain all is used to delete all the elements of invoking collection except the specified collection. So retain all is used to delete all the elements of invoking collection except the specified collection element. Next one is boolean is empty. So is empty is used to check if collection is empty or not. So this method will be used for that one. Then void clear method is there. So void clear method removes the total number of elements from the collection. So it will remove the total, all the elements from the collection only. It will clear the collection. The next one is boolean contains object O. So it is used to search an element. So object element is there. So this element will be searched in a collection framework. Next one is contains all collection C. So it is used to search the specified collection in this collection class. So the return type is also boolean here. Next one is int size. So int size return the total number of elements in the collection. It will return all the elements, means whatever number of elements were present in the collection, so it will give us. Then next one is object to array method. So its return type is object type. So it will return an object array and to array. So this method is usually used for converting collection into array. So it will convert our collection object into array object. So, and next one is iterator. So iterator is basically, it provides us the facility of iterating the elements in forward direction only. So it is used for the movement between the collections object. So basically there are three methods for iterator interface, that is boolean has next, object next, and void remove. So we'll go through it in another section of this class. So as of now, this is all from my end. Let me know if you are having any query via mail. Thanks a lot. Signing off, Chitra. Bye-bye.